Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial.
A rupture in a 34-inch natural gas pipeline in Castaic, northern Los Angeles County, prompted authorities to issue a shelter-in-place order and temporarily shut down Interstate 5 on Saturday, causing miles of traffic delays. The leak was reported around 4:20 p.m. local time near the southbound lanes of I-5. Officials said there were no explosions or injuries. About 14,900 residents were affected by the shelter-in-place order, which was lifted early Sunday, with authorities later stating there was no ongoing danger to the public. SoCalGas crews stopped the leak Saturday night and reported no signs of ignition, though significant land movement was observed near the damaged pipeline. The cause remains under investigation. A heartbreaking news. 2 helicopters collided midair Sunday afternoon near Hamilton Municipal Airport in New Jersey, killing 1 person and critically injuring another, authorities said. The crash occurred around 12:25 p.m. near Basin Road, about 35 miles southeast of Philadelphia. According to the Federal Aviation Administration, both helicopters struck each other before falling to the ground. Police said 1 helicopter was engulfed in flames after impact, which officers and emergency medical workers later extinguished. 1 victim was pronounced dead at the scene, while another was transported to a hospital with life-threatening injuries. Witnesses reported hearing a metallic sound before seeing both helicopters descend uncontrollably. Authorities urged the public to avoid the area. In another update, Canadian researchers have uncovered how plants produce mitriphyline, a rare natural compound with potential anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. Mitriphyline belongs to a small class of plant alkaloids known for their complex, twisted spiro ring structures, which contribute to their biological activity. For decades, scientists understood these compounds' value, but not how plants assembled them. In 2023, a University of British Columbia Okanagan team identified the first plant enzyme responsible for forming the spiro structure. Building on that work, researchers have now identified 2 additional enzymes that shape and finalize mitriphyline's molecular form. Because mitriphyline occurs only in trace amounts in plants like kratom and cat's claw, this discovery opens the door to more sustainable, scalable production methods for future drug development. In other developments, gold and silver futures fell sharply on Monday after the Chicago Mercantile Exchange increased margin requirements, forcing traders to post more cash to hold positions amid heightened volatility. Silver futures dropped about 8%, while gold slid roughly 5%. The move followed a strong rally in 2025, with gold futures up about 65% and silver more than doubling. The CME said the changes were part of its routine review of market volatility, a step exchanges often take after rapid price gains to reduce default risk. Silver prices had surged on tight supply, slowing mine production, and rising industrial demand from solar panels and data centers. Gold has benefited from geopolitical uncertainty and concerns about stock market valuations. From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.